Hi everyone, welcome everyone to the Sangar Medical Academy Meet the NEET program. Right? Today we will see physics questions. How we can solve some of the physics questions which is asking in NEET in a easier manner. So let me solve the questions from work energy power. In that concept, conservation of energy. Okay, you can see most of the questions coming from this concept. Okay, so what is mean by conservation of energy? According to physics, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. Based on this concept, we can ask questions from anywhere in physics. Okay. In here, work energy power also, they will ask questions from this conservation of energy. Let me see one question. So, a mass of 0.5 kilogram moving with a speed of 1.5 meter per second collides with a spring of force constant K is equal to 50 Newton per meter. Find the maximum compression on the spring. Okay, this is a question. Okay, this question is based on conservation of energy. Let me see how they are given this question. So there is a spring mass system. Okay, the spring mass system, the spring is having a constant, spring constant called K is equal to 50 Newton per meter, and a ball of mass 0.5 kilogram coming towards this spring mass system with some velocity. The velocity is given as 1.5 meter per second. So when it is collides with the spring mass system, initially the system is in natural state. That means it is in rest state. When it is collides and this ball will comes to rest. After that, the spring will go for some compression. In this question, they ask you to find out the compression. Okay, here how it is work. When the ball is coming with velocity, it is having a energy called kinetic energy. Anything moves with velocity and it is having kinetic energy. When it is collides with the mass, what happens? That kinetic energy is transferred into the spring mass. So then the spring will get a potential energy. So we know the formula for kinetic energy and also we know the formula for spring potential energy. Once you equating them, because it is just a transfer from ball to the spring mass system, there is no loss. Just consider that there is no loss. So total energy of the ball is conserved or transferred into the spring mass system. So once you equating both, you will get the answer, compression answer. So what is the energy, kinetic energy for the ball? Half mv square, and we know that spring, for the spring potential energy, that will be half k spring constant into x square. Just cancelling it, and you know that you have to calculate this x. So x is equal to root of m by k, and when you are taking root for v square, it will be v. So substitute the values. Mass is given and velocity is given and spring constant is given. So when you substitute and take the root, your answer will be 0.15 meter. 0.15 meter. That will be 1.5 by 10 you will get. That will be equal to 0.15 meter. So this is the answer. So within 1 minute you can be able to answer this question. Once the thing is, you know the concept, how this conservation of energy is used here. Also it is used in all other concepts. For example, in electrical, they will ask the conservation of energy between electrical and thermodynamics. So many ways they can ask. Thank you.